welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, this is Ritika Devan. So आज मैं कुछ नया ट्राई करने वाली हूँ अपने हेयर पे. So my hair is बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्रिजी है and when I take a shower, hair wash बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्रिजी हो जाता है and I can't manage my hair. तो इसीलिए I have decided to get my hair botox treatment done. तो मैं अभी जाने वाली हूँ टोनी एंड गाय तो हेयर बोटॉक्स ट्रीटमेंट करने के लिए. दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम डूइंग द हेयर ट्रीटमेंट. लेट्स सी हाउ दैट गोज़. सो या आई एम एक्साइटेड एंड क्योंकि ये हेयर फ्रिजी होने पर आई कांट गो आउट. जब बाहर ही जाना नहीं होता है अनलेस आई यूज़ हीट ऑन माई हेयर. या तो फिर स्ट्रेटनिंग करो या तो फिर ब्लो ड्राई करो. बहुत ही ज़्यादा हीट हो जा रहा है. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू गेट माई हेयर बोटॉक्स ट्रीटमेंट डन. So yes, let's go. This is my hair before getting the treatment done. As you can see, it has a lot of frizziness, dryness, and it takes way too much effort to style it every day. Make sure to watch until the end for the final results. First, they started with a thorough hair wash. They used a deep cleansing clarifying shampoo to strip away any residual product built up and open up my hair cuticles so the treatment can penetrate deeply. After rinsing, they lightly rough dried it so it's just damp. Next up is the actual application. They sectioned my hair into 4 parts and started applying the Nanoplastia formula strand by strand about 1 centimeter away from my scalp all the way to the ends. Unlike traditional keratin treatments that smell harsh, this formula is packed with amino acids, collagen and essential nutrients. तो guys मेरा hair application अभी लगा हुआ है so I need to wait 1 hour. इसके बाद फिर treatment चालू होगा. So I'm just waiting. I had to wait around 90 minutes so that the product could deeply penetrate each strand of my hair. Once the waiting time was over, they blow dried my hair. After the blow dry, they straightened my hair section by section using a flat iron to lock the treatment into the hair. They took incredibly tiny sections of my hair and ran a high heat flat iron over each section multiple times. This intense heat thermally activates the nanoparticles, locking the amino acids and shine permanently into the hair structure. And once again, they have washed my hair and dried my hair to get the results. And look at these results. I'm absolutely obsessed. My hair feels incredibly soft. It has a crazy liquid like shine and it's completely frizz free. Home after the treatment. तो मैं घर जाके आपको ठीक से दिखाऊंगी मेरा ट्रीटमेंट एंड हाउ वाज माय एक्सपीरियंस एंड सब. आई एम लिटरली सो मच टायर्ड. इट टुक मी 4 to 5 hours. हाँ 5 hours तो लगे हैं ट्रीटमेंट के लिए. सो आई एम सो मच टायर्ड. भूख भी बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा है. सो अभी घर जाके कुछ खा पी के फिर आई अपडेट यू ऑन माई एक्सपीरियंस एंड हाउ मच इट कॉस्टेड मी. सो या बाय.
The next day.
Hey guys, so it's finally next day and I'm here to share my experience with you all. Honestly speaking, this wasn't planned. So मैं बस सोच ही रही थी to get this done since past few months. And then suddenly मुझे thought आया कि let's get it done next month. But then suddenly my mom told me कि why not get it done as it's your holiday. Literally at that moment I decided okay, so let's do this. तो बहुत ही unplanned था. I just went in the flow. Before going, I obviously did my research, my reviews, watched videos on YouTube so that I get some insight on what exactly the treatment is and how the experience is. तो मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों के वीडियोस देखे हैं कि कैसा है उनका एक्सपीरियंस, कैसा था ट्रीटमेंट एंड ऑल. उसके बाद ही मैंने डिसाइड किया है. So yes, after watching all those videos, I got convinced to get my hair done and then I decided to go to Toni and Guy to get my Botox done. After checking my hair, they actually suggested me to go for Nanoplastia. वो भी एक ट्रीटमेंट है just like Botox. So मैं actually Botox के लिए प्लान करके गई थी but they suggested me to go for Nanoplastia. So I had no idea at that time what Nanoplastia is and I had to Google it, I had to watch videos and then I got convinced. ठीक है, let's go for Nanoplastia. तो Nanoplastia is also same ही है. Like there's no much difference between Botox and Nanoplastia. However, ये थोड़ा long lasting है and your hair feels nourished, your hair feels sleek, your hair feels very soft, smooth and then इसका टेक्सचर भी ज़्यादा दिन तक मतलब स्ट्रेट रहेगा. एंड देन द प्रोसीजर स्टार्टेड. सो दे ऑलरेडी टोल्ड मी कि दिस प्रोसीजर इज़ गोइंग टू स्टार्ट लाइक इट्स गोइंग टू टेक फॉर 3.5 to 4 hours. सो आई नो दैट ऑलरेडी एंड इट लिटरली टुक मी 4 hours. नॉट गोना लाई, it was such boring sitting for 4 hours continuously. Boring to tha, but at the end the results made it worth it. I'm honestly loving this look. It gives me sleek, stylish, soft hair vibes, and obsessed with this look क्योंकि you know, I'm just going in front of the mirror and flaunting my hair. You know, seriously मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. Looking at my hair, the look, मेरा पूरा look ही completely change हो गया है. So I'm really happy with the results. So the best part of this procedure is, as a content creator, आपको पता ही होगा कि you will use, like, you need to use heat on your hair to make content, to make different hairstyles. So I used to use heat almost like every day, या फिर like once for 2 days. But now I don't really have to do that since it's already straight and it's already nice. So yeah, that's the best part. Guys also like my look and are planning to get it done. I'll definitely share my review after 6 months because that's when you actually get to know the results. So after 6 months I'll share my review. But as of now, if you want frizz free hair या फिर straight hair या stylish hair, then you can totally go for it. अभी आते हैं pricing की तरफ. So pricing actually depends on the volume of your hair and the length of your hair. So it ranges between 8k to 13k. So 13k is inclusive of the shampoo and conditioner because they usually recommend to use their specified shampoo या conditioner, because if you use a normal conditioner या normal shampoo जो आप daily life में use करते हो, so it makes no sense of you doing this treatment because वो hair वो जल्दी मतलब treatment का effect चले जाएगा. So if you use their recommend shampoo या conditioner, so it will be for the long term. So it's better to use the products that they have suggested. I've also been given these 2 products. So the one is the Fabulous Reviver Hair Reviver Shampoo, Hair Repair Shampoo, if you can see. So this, I think मेरे को ये shampoo and conditioner मिला के it costed me 2,500 rupees. So the hair conditioner is also the Fabulous Reviver Hair Repair Conditioner. So they have given me this too. ये 250 ml का bottle है. I know this treatment is very costly, but if you want sleek hair and obviously stylish look, then you can totally go for it. So थोड़ा expensive तो है, but if you just want to try it for once, like, you can go for it because I'm loving the results. I'm literally flaunting my hair in front of my mom every 2 minutes, you know, literally going into my mirror and just, you know, flaunting my hair and looking at my looks. Anyways, so I'm literally obsessed and happy with my results, with my look. So yeah, that was my experience and honest review. Let me know how do I look in the comment section. So if you like my content, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my video. Bye guys.